Alright, the last step is to reset the service interval. So we go to F700 instrument combi. I'll first read the trouble codes before I do anything. It's none. Go to the engine, the trouble code. Here also nothing. Yeah, nothing. And the last one is the ABS. Okay, there are no trouble codes anywhere. Now I go to the instrument, service reset. The bike today is at 17,205. I'll set it in the next 10,000 kilometers and also set the date of today. The date is correct on the bike, so I'll reset this. Okay, and I'll reset. Yeah, the service reset is gone. It shows that the next service is in 10th February 24. Today we are 10th February 23, so 1 year or 10,000 kilometers was gonna be next year in February, similar as it was last year also in February. That's it, all done.